Nakita natin during the timeout that Coach Shot Tunkinson bringing in some big guys. Napansin siguro niya that Air 21 has a big lineup on the floor. They've got Arwin Santos, Ranidel, and Thomas. And those three players like to run. So it's a big lineup that is a quick lineup that likes to play transition. So obviously, they're out to dominate or control the boards at least. So Coach Shot Tunkinson responds by bringing back Ildefonso at si Pingris.
So let's see what happens dito sa mga matchup. Libre dito sa corner si Winnie Arboleda. So hindi na pumasok. Balikan natin muna si Dominic Uy. Anong report natin, Dominic?
Richard, all fired up si Coach Shot Tunkinson in that last timeout. Sinabi niya sa kanyang mga players, egging them on. Sabi niya, you have to stand your ground. Sabi niya, hindi tayo pwedeng papatulak ka. You gotta be tougher and you gotta play smarter. Richard?
Wala namang profane doon sa sinabi ni...
yun yung yata sinabi sa player. Ewan ko kung anong sinabi sa coach. Sa referee.
Ito na ngayon si Gary David. Ako! Team pressed by Gary David and that will not make Coach Shot Tunkinson happy. He has 14 big points dito sa ating ball game. Under 5 minutes na titira dito sa ating first half.
You know, I'm wondering kung ibabalik pa ni Coach Shot Tunkinson si Danny Siegel who had a nice strong start.
Yung start niya, no? Ni Danny Siegel.
Pero since the time na napalitan siya, hindi na binalik.
Ito, balik si Olsen Rosella. Trying to put some order dito sa opensa ng Magnolia. They're down by 2 now. Mark Pingris sumugod sa loob. Mark Pingris bangs into Ranidel De Ocampo.
Siya yung pinaka-aggressive, no? Sa offensive players ng Magnolia. Daniel Ildefonso actually is doing a lot of damage with his turnaround fadeaways, but he's not really attacking the basket strong enough. It's Pingris who's attacking, and that's why he's getting to the line.
At si Arwin Santos ang natawagan doon ng foul. So here's Mark Pingris on the line. Of course, he also played for Air 21. His PBA career. Short on his first free throw. Second is up para dito kay Mark Pingris. And he splits his charities. Isa na lang hinahabol dito ng Magnolia.
Now let's also see how Mark Pingris does defensively against Gary David.
Ito, turnover na nga para dito sa Air 21. Olsen Rosella. Sinalubong ni Thomas. So, pwedeng mapunta yung bola sa loob. Nawala si Thomas dyan, pero hindi na napasa kagad. Ito, naaagaw pa yung bola ni Winnie Arboleda. Arboleda gives it to Arwin Santos after he was tackled.
And that prevented the layup situation for Air 21.
Si Togade. Natawagan ang kanyang unang personal foul. So I see Arboleda looking for some space. No look pass to Gary David inside. Ang ganda naman doon ng communication ni Arboleda at saka ni Gary David. Very active si Gary David dito. Mukhang ayaw na niya maghintay ng fourth quarter para mag-explode.
Well, bibigyan siya ng magagandang pasa, no? Ni Winnie Arboleda, who's a master of the assist. He's a big threat from the outside. And he plays tough defensively.
And look at the rotation dito ni Coach Bob Perasol. You bring out Arwin Santos, but you have KG Canaleta there. Same profile of players, no?
Walang nawawala sa kanya.
Walang nawawala.
Kung binabalik niya si Arwin Santos sa bangko.
Gary David has 16 points already dito po sa ating ball game.
That's right, no? And we're only in the first half. You know that he's averaging 17, so that's semifinals.
Nice assist coming from Amal Macasco to the cutting Lordy Togade. At eto, isa pa rin ang lamang dito ng Air 21. Here's Thomas at the post, reads the defense, kicks it out. KG Canaleta drives baseline, goes under the basket, wala. Battle underneath the boards. Daming mga katawang tumatalsik dyan,
Well, malaking bagay doon yung offensive rebound ni Thomas. So hindi nahawakan ni Macaskill yung bola. And now Thomas is at the line.
Ito, makikita natin dito yung mga banggaan at talsikan ng katawan dito Ayan si Thomas, pag-angat. Banggaan sila, pareho ng talsikan. Ayun, that's why weight training is compulsory now for basketball players. Hindi ka na pwedeng allergic sa bakal ngayon. Masasaktan ka.
At saka partner, what made that play possible was the fact that not challenging depensa ni Makaskil. And when he had to go up defensively against the drive, that allowed Stephen Thomas the opportunity to get the offensive rebound off the miss.
Marcela goes inside to Daniel Defonso. Finally gets points inside the paint. Ayun, bola yun. Lumusot doon sa kamay ng mga defenders ng Air 21. He has 11 points si Danny Ai. Arboleda. Tuturan ni Del looking at Thomas inside. Turn around. Naku, niluwa pa. So ito Magnolia can grab the lead with his possession. Uy, inside pass. Too strong. Blue golden opportunity. Ito na ngayon si Winnie Arboleda. Drives baseline. Floater is good. Sayang yung mga chances doon ng Magnolia.
That's right. And you also notice that when Air 21 has possession of the ball, hindi nila hinihintay maubos yung 24 seconds.
That's right.
Shot
Quick
clock, no?
transition kaagad dito.
Kaagad, tumitira.
Ayun na nga. Kaya naman ng Air 21, lamang pa rin na tatlo. 46-43. We'll be right back.